Hi, I'm Kino McGregor. We're here at Miami Life Center. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to use a yoga mat on a carpet. The first thing that you would want to do is actually just place your yoga mat on top of the carpet, make sure that it fits. This carpet we're using today is a little bit small, but it's great for demonstration purposes. The primary place you'll be using a carpet to practice yoga is either at a studio that has carpeting or perhaps at your home or hotel. So you'll really have a firm, stable floor underneath the carpet. So go ahead and grab your yoga mat and then just unroll it just as you would on any regular floor. One of the things that's different that you'll find is rather than being on the wood floor, as soon as you have a soft area underneath, you'll notice the yoga mat is a little more cushy, right? No problem. Just make sure that you're protecting your wrists and your feet and you're feeling a solid, stable connection to the ground underneath you. The next thing really to take a look at is whether the carpet is actually stable. This carpet's not so stable planted on the ground, so you wouldn't really want to jump forward or jump back. You would want to do slow, concentrated movements. But if the carpet's fixed to the ground and it's permanently attached and you feel that it's solid underneath you, once you get used to the slightly more cushioning feeling underneath your hands and your feet, you can test out your flexibility and your strength and actually jump forward and jump back and do all of the same motions. So basically using a yoga mat on a carpet is just like using a yoga mat anywhere else. So one exercise that you would do every day is a portion of the sun salutation, Chaturanga Dandasana. So you can take your hands around the front of the mat, keep them about shoulder width apart, and just to give it a good test to figure out if you have a stable surface, align your chest forward over your hands and exhale, lower yourself down. Just give that a good test. Feel if it's stable. Inhale, straighten your arms. Once you can do this motion, you might also try Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing, and exhale, downward facing. So basically, using a yoga mat on a carpet is just like using a yoga mat anywhere else. I'm Kino McGregor, and this has been how to use a yoga mat on a carpet.